Hi friends, welcome to A to Z Learning channel. Today we are going to be picking up the topic of medical insurance. With the rise in COVID related health issues, many policyholders are finding that claims are not being settled fully. Even non-COVID claims are piling up and policyholders are seeing significant reduction in the claim amount that insurance companies are settling. So why is that health insurer are not paying you the money under the insurance policy that you have bought? There are many reasons. And in today's video, we will help you understand what is the kind of overall picture in terms of claims settled by the insurers and help you understand what are the typical reasons for which insurers are declining or settling claims less than the amount that you have spent. So it's an important video. Please stay with us till the end of the video. And if you're not subscribed our channel A to Z Learning, we would urge you to please subscribe our channel and become part of our viewers family. If you like this video, then we would again urge you to please press the like button and share our video with your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's start our video. As I said, the golden question that we are helping you understand in this video is why is your insurer not paying for the medical bills that you have incurred? You will see on your screen the table that sets out the COVID related claim information from last year for the top 10 health insurance company. And I'll help you understand what does it tell you. Clearly table has got a very simple 4 columns. In the first column, we have captured the name of the medical insurer. In the second column, we have got how many number of claims they received in the first 9 months of last year, last calendar year. How many percentage, what percentage of those claims in terms of numbers were settled by the insurance company in the third column, and what was the percentage of claim amount settlement. So let's understand the first line, which is for the New India Assurance. It received the highest number of claims. So it's a big player. So they have got the highest number of claims in the first 9 months of last calendar year. Their total number of claims were just under 39,000, and only 47% of those 39,000 claims were settled. It does not mean that the balance 53% were outrightly rejected, but they are taking longer to settle those claims or seeking further information, and some are, of course, which they have rejected. The last column has got the information in terms of what was the percentage of claim amount settled. So if they claimed for 100, if the policy holder claimed for 100, New India Assurance settled only 32 out of that 100. So 32 percentage. So big reduction from the total claim amount. And the story is similar whether you look at any of the other top 10 players. Star Health and Allied Insurance, which is the second biggest player, 37,500 claims. They were very good in terms of settling 80% of those. But in terms of amount, they settled only 1/3 of the total amount that was claimed or spent. United India Assurance, 59% of the claims were settled, but in terms of value, only 49% was paid. Oriental Insurance, same story, only 29% of the claim amount paid. National Insurance, only 45% of the claim amount was settled. ICICI Lombard, 58% of the amount claimed was settled, and they are the highest in terms of settling the amount. So ICICI Lombard, amongst these top 10 players, they were the highest to settle in terms of claim amount, which is 58%. The second highest was Max Bupa, which is a small player compared to some of the other players. They settled only 56%. So overall, and this all data is from General Insurance Council, so it's all independent information as publicly published. But through this table, I wanted to kind of make the point that what people who are the policy holders of these health insurance plan are intuitively feeling that their claims are not being settled fully, big reduction are made from their claims. Looking at this table, we can say that no, that's not their just intuitive or one-off experience. Across the board, there has been a significant cut in the medical bills at the time of settling those bills. So that's absolutely true across all the top 10 insurer that we have seen the data for. So if it is a real problem, that we have established that it is a real problem, it is not down to one odd individual or few individual, it is a problem across the board. Then what is the reason why your health insurer is not paying? I know health insurer don't have a good reputation in the market, but these are significant cuts. For example, the biggest player paying only one third of the claim amount is a big reduction. So what are the reasons? So we've analyzed the huge amount of data and come up with the six main reasons why insurers, health insurers are not settling these bills, medical bills. First main reason we have noticed that high room rent. When people go for hospitalization, under their insurance policy, room rent is capped to a certain level. But if the room rent that actually the policyholder is paying at the time of hospitalization is higher than that, then straight away that higher amount will be cut. And sometimes beds are in short supply. You just take the bed for your patient, which is available, irrespective the cost involved. But when you submit the bill, insurance company is going to be paying you only up to the room rent that you have bought. So if the room rent under your policy allows only 3,000 a day and you are actually incurring a charge of 5,000 rupees a day, then the only 3,000 is what they will consider for reimbursement. The balance 2,000 will not be paid to you. And that's a main reason. And another main reason is that with the high room rent, there is also a corresponding high consultation, doctor consultation charge, the visit charge, the test charges, the general upkeep of the room related charges, everything goes up. So when you see your room rent is only allowed is only 3,000 but you're paying 5,000, it's not just this 2,000 rupees difference, but the corresponding charges of doctor's visit and other tests, the medical staff, the nurses charges and all those sort of things also go up, and they also get proportionately cut by the insurer. So that's the main reason for significant reduction that people are seeing in their claim settlement. The second main reason is the co-payments. When people buy insurance plan, they buy plans with co-payment facility. Co-payment is basically nothing but where you are agreeing upfront that whatever is the claim amount, a fixed percentage of that claim amount will be paid by you irrespective of how much is the charge. So if you incur 100 rupees as a charge, most policies have got that 20% of that. So 20 will be paid by you and only balance 80 will be considered for claim settlement under the insurance policy. So you must check whether you have got a co-payment clause in your policy or not. Because that's the other reason people are seeing a significant reduction in the amount being settled. I know there is a reason people go for co-payment because higher the co-payment, lower the premium that you pay for your insurance program. Lower the co-payment, higher the premium. So therefore, a lot of people opt for these co-payment clauses to keep the premium amount at a more reasonable level. Third reason is there are high level of other charges that hospitals are charging. If I take COVID as an example, maintaining COVID wards, COVID bed, COVID room is expensive for hospitals. So what they are doing is they are introducing, they are adding lots of other charges, which could be the kit charges, which could be the sanitization charges, which could be lots of other things. So those high other charges have got issue that under the insurance policy, again, there is a limit specified. If the charges are higher than those limits, then those will be disallowed. Those won't be settled by the insurance claim. And that's the third main reason for claims being significantly reduced by the insurance company. The fourth reason, again, a very generic reason, most policies have got a clause of 24 hours hospitalization. So if your hospitalization time is less than 24 hours, they don't consider it as a hospitalization. It is considered a simple outpatient treatment, which is not allowed under the insurance program. There are exceptions to it, for example, cataract surgery, and there are other smaller procedures where insurance company does accept that 24-hour hospitalization is not required and they can be done during the day. So you need to kind of again keep in mind that what is happening, what is the reason, what is your policy, and if you have flexibility to stay a few extra hours to make sure that you tick the box of 24-hour hospitalization, then your claim will be paid in full. Waiting periods in new policies is the other reason people see significant reduction. What is the waiting period? Normally, when you buy a new insurance policy, usually there is a 30-day waiting period. For first 30 days or for first 1 month, you can't claim any amount under that policy. Though there are plans available which have got waiting period of as low as only 2 weeks. So must look for those sort of things. Then there are other waiting period. For example, if you have a pre-existing disease, most insurance plans won't claim for pre-existing diseases in the first 2 to 4 years of the plan. So you need to again keep in mind that if your medical treatment is as a result of a pre-existing disease, you need to make sure that your policy has been in force for at least 2 years before you claim that amount. Otherwise, it will not be allowed. And the last reason that I have noticed in my research for significant reduction in the claim settlement is the sub limits and exclusions. There are a lot of procedures, medical procedures, which have got a sub-limit specified in the medical insurance program. So if you're going for those surgeries, for example, dialysis, if your kidneys are not working and you need kind of dialysis regularly, there are limits specified. If you incur more than that limit, you won't be paid that. Similarly, knee replacement. These procedures have got again an amount specified as a limit under most policies. If your actual expense is more than that, then you won't be paid for that extra amount. So you need to keep in that mind. And similarly, there are some exclusions also. Like usual exclusion is that if medical treatment is as a result of excessive alcohol, that won't be paid. So again, you need to keep in mind that you are meeting the requirements of your policy and program. Sometime in the COVID case, if you're quarantined in a non-recognized center, again, medical expenses may not be claimed fully. So these are the kind of things that you need to watch out to make sure that your claim is settled as fully as possible. So we hope that content that we have shared with you around the medical bill and the reasons that we have explained for the significant reduction in the claim settlement amount are helpful for you. If you like our video, then please press the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you've not subscribed our channel A to Z Learning as yet, then we would urge you to please subscribe. You have got that subscribe button on your screen. Please press that subscribe button and become part of our viewers family. Thank you very much for watching our video.